Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I use puree de patatas, that is mashed potatoes in English, to prepare my fufu. Yeah, this is the way Spanish people prepare it. They use water, milk and salt. It's quite easy to prepare, as in the puree de patata, the way Spanish people prepare it. But as an African lady, I need to take my swallow. They can equally prepare it in the microwave. It comes 4 sachets in a packet like this, and I've used two before. Okay, and it's raining too, so I was like, let me show you guys, because I think this video can help someone out there. So please, if you find this video helpful, share with your friends, give it a thumbs up, give me a comment. Okay, yeah, I'm showing you guys how it looks like. Please consider subscribing if you've not subscribed to my channel. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. This is the way the mashed potato look inside. Okay, mashed dry potato, that's what it looks like. So but I'm going to use it to prepare my swallow. Okay, here my water is already boiling. It's already boiling. As I'm adding the mashed potato, I'll be stirring it. I'll be stirring it. I want to use the 2 sachets right now, and I'm going to add all of them. Okay, and I keep stirring till it gets to the consistency that I want. Okay, and one thing I like about this puree de patata is it's very light. Okay, it's very light. Even when you're taking it, it's very, very light. Okay, I'm sorry about the reflection of the light. You keep stirring. You keep stirring it. Okay, keep stirring it. Yeah. Okay, at this point, okay, I'm going to add a little water to it, a little hot water to it, and I will cover it to cook for some time. Okay, actually right now it's cooking on a medium heat. Okay, the stove is on a medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt. Okay, yeah, I'll cover it to cook for some time, then I will get back to it. Okay, you can see at this point I will continue stirring it again, turning it left and right. Yeah, it's very, very soft. That's one thing I like about this mashed potato swallow. Okay, it's very, very light. Yeah, normally Spanish people, they prepare it in a way it's tasty. They puree the patata the way Spanish people prepare it is very tasty. I've taken it before now. Okay, I've tested it. It's very, very nice. But I need to take my swallow. Yeah, the swallow is ready. Okay, it's ready. And I'm going to show you guys, how it's been done. Yeah. Yeah, you can take it with any type of soup you want. Okay, it's very, very light. Just like your gari, your fufu, apple, and I'm going to take it down with this sweet egusi soup, authentic egusi. See the way it is. It's very light. It doesn't stick. That's one thing again. It doesn't stick. It's very light. You just roll it too. The way you love is very light. Can you guys see? So if you are living in diaspora, okay, and you are looking for what to swallow, where you stay, if they have this mashed potato, try it out and come and thank me later. See you guys in my next video. Keep flourishing. Love you. Bye.